Hey you, it's Evie. Alright you guys, I know there's something funky going on with my voice. I don't know what it is, I'm not sick. Finally. I was just getting ready to film another video, but there's been this problem going on I see in the comments quite a bit. Answer you all that's been wondering what's going on. The number one thing I get asked is all the time, what's wrong with your audio? Why can't I hear you? Speak up. Why the whispering? Most of them are pretty, you know, just wanting to hear me, which I appreciate that. But there's some pretty rotten ones out there. Like, I'm not purposely trying to make it an what do they call it? ASMR video? You know, those kind of videos where people whisper? Oh, this is annoying. I'm sorry, you guys. That's probably what made me think of doing this video really quick, is my voice. And I'm trying to speak up as much as I can in videos. I didn't know I was soft-spoken until it was pointed out. And then some people are like, man, why don't you know how to talk? Or, don't you know how to use your voice? Why are you trying to whisper? I'm not trying to whisper. This is just how I've talked. Doctors told me it could be because of all the surgeries I had. I had 7 surgeries before I could hear, and that was when I was 5 I could finally start hearing. I'm tone deaf to certain tones, really high, and tones that are really, really low. And some people say that some people, when they have hearing issues, they're really, really loud, and others are really, really quiet. I don't purposely be quiet. I don't go through all the work of making videos on here for you guys to not hear me. So please understand, it's frustrating for me too, okay? As you could see, the last video was terrible, and I had bought a little microphone, and some of you noticed how worse it got when I plugged it in, because I plugged it in as I was recording. I chucked that thing in the garbage faster than you could blink. So I appreciate you, those that are trying to deal with hearing me. There is a thing, a box. If you put your finger, or if you're on the computer, put your mouse on the screen, see a little box there that says CC, closed captions, where you could see the words that I'm saying. That's up there. And you could actually help if you wanted to put the words up there. For some reason, it keeps wanting to do Spanish. And I've been trying to do English and Spanish. I wish I could do all languages. But, oh, that would take a lot of time. Of course, you can buy transcripts. But I'm working really hard on trying to go through all the microphones that would be best for you guys, but yet affordable. So you can get so many different microphones out there. But I'm not trying to spend no hundreds of dollars on just a microphone. But I know it's important to have good audio. So I'm trying, you guys. I just wanted to make this video quick and let you all know. I know some of you have a really hard time hearing me. Some of you say you swear by headphones and going through all your settings, making sure everything's turned up. Some of you might not even know, but YouTube actually has their own volume control too. Like, some videos are really quiet to me, like my settings are turned up, but the YouTube volume is not. And here I thought my stuff was broken, and it wasn't. It was just me. I didn't know there was a YouTube setting. So I hope that helps. No special video here. I just wanted you guys know I hear you, and I'm gonna try finding a really good microphone. If you have any good recommendations, please let me know down below. And I know I'm still gonna hear it from new viewers, but for those that come across here, thank you for listening. I'm trying my best. I also did notice I tend to be more quiet on days that I hurt a lot, that I'm feeling my worst. Maybe some of you will relate. But I'm trying to be a louder speaker. I'm definitely not one of those that stand out of the crowd when it comes to talking. I know a few people that are super loud. You could hear them miles away. And sometimes that would be nice to have one of those voices, but That's just not how I talk. So, all right, you guys, I hope you're doing all right. If not, hang in there, and still getting through all your emails and everything. If you ever need someone to talk to, I'm here. But I appreciate you sticking out and trying to hear as much as you can. Well, I appreciate you just hanging out and chatting with me. So I will talk to you in the comments down below. And stay tuned. Finally got that series coming up. You'll see that video soon. Alright, love yous. Take care.